Can you solve it? T plus hat plus hill plus tail. Tat, hill, tail. Tattletale. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. See, nothing in my hands, so our contestants are safe. Let's meet them right now. The lady on my right is Beverly Walker, the mother of 3. And welcome back, Beverly. How old are these 3 kids of yours?
Michelle is 19.
Whoa.
Yes, at San Diego State. And Robert is 17. And Brooke is 12.
Ah, all right. 2 boys and a girl.
2 girls and a boy.
The last
Close.
one?
Brooke is a girl.
Oh, Brooke.
Yes,
I thought you said...
girl.
I'm sorry, I misunderstood. All right, 2 girls and a boy. That's even better. Here is the man who won the game on yesterday's program, and in doing that, won a holiday in Puerto Rico, Reese Livingston. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Beverly has a lucky, look at this, a lucky $2 bill. You don't see $2 bills too often in the United States. People are superstitious about them, but in Canada, this is the smallest denomination bill you can get now. They have coins for $1, right?
I'm an honorary Torontonian.
You are?
I love it. I go every year. I have many friends there. Can I say hi to them?
Sure you can.
Hi, everyone in Toronto.
All right, there are a lot of people watching the program in Toronto, and they want to see you do well. And if you do well, you could win this prize in the first game.
Sharp's 120-watt per channel stereo rack system with 12-inch 3-way speakers and rear surround sound speakers and 39-key remote control, furnished by Sharp. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, Marjorie. Let's take a look and show Beverly and Reese where we can find that prize on our game board. It is here, hiding behind this door. Number 22 is where you're going to find the stereo system. Beverly, you get to pick first in this game. It's an important one for you because you have that 1 strike against you. But if you win this game, you could wind up with a holiday in Rio de Janeiro.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I need that.
Okay.
Okay. I would like the trip to be under number 3, please.
20-piece cookware set.
Okay. Let's go for a match under number 15.
Diamond and pearl earrings. No match. Reese.
Let's open this board up. Bottom, number 23, please.
Gas barbecue.
Yes, barbecue. I love barbecue chicken, too. Number 5 in the corner for the match.
Red take. No match. Beverly.
Number 13.
Camping equipment.
Okay, let's go to number 1.
Entertainment center. No match yet. Reese.
All right, let's try the other lower corner. Number 21.
Gas barbecue.
And the match under number 23.
23. There you go.
Yes.
1 match with 2 doors opening up on that bottom line. I doubt very much if it will be of great help, but you never know. Pick again.
All right, let's try number 6.
Diamond and pearl earrings.
Did I see the match for that under number 15?
Think so. Yes, you did.
Yeah.
Well done, Reese. Take a look now. Go again.
Let's try number 9.
Entertainment center.
Did I see the match for that under number 1?
Yes, you did. Every time you ask that question, did I see it here, did I see it there, Beverly nods because she's saying, yes, I remember those things too. Why can't I make a match? You'll get your chance, Beverly. Open these 2 panels for Reese. Select again.
All right, let's try number 5.
Well, that's the red take.
Red take. I should have known that. Let's go for the match on the red take under number 16.
Camping equipment. Ooh. See, Beverly, you are going to get another chance.
Okay. Number 18.
Deluxe sewing machine.
And number 4.
Deluxe sewing machine. Oh, indeed. Sewing machine is up there, and now we open 2 more panels, this time for Beverly. Go again.
Number 7.
Green take.
And number 2.
No, chef's barbecue tools there. Reese.
I need those for that barbecue set. How about number 12?
Rio de
There's
Janeiro.
Rio. Oh, come on. Give me that wild card under number 24.
Wild card is under number 24. The other Rio de Janeiro holiday right next to it at number 25. 3 more doors opening up. Select again.
All right, let's try number 19.
There's another wild card.
Another wild card. How about the stereo system under number 22?
How about that? That's a good prize. The other stereo system is at number 20. And you've got 3 more doors opening up in the lower half of this puzzle. Select again.
How about number 3?
20-piece cookware set.
I think we saw that before. How about a match for that cookware set under number 2?
No, those are the barbecue tools. Beverly, there is 1 wild card left in play on the board. And there's a take up there. Let's see if you can find something good.
Number 10
Green take.
and number 13.
Oh, that hurts. No match. Reese.
Did we see that camping equipment under number 11?
No, red
No,
take.
but how about the match for that under number 14?
No, Chef's barbecue tools. Beverly's getting another chance.
Yeah. Number 2
Chef's
and number
barbecue.
14 for the match.
And 14 makes it a match. The Chef's barbecue tools go up there. Beverly, you need to win this game, so look very carefully at this puzzle. Solve it. Go again.
Number 17
2 empty-piece cookware
and
set.
number 3.
20-piece cookware set. Well done. Take a look now. Go again.
Number 11
Still a wild card. There's the red take.
and number 10.
We like dancing around those takes, don't we?
Yes, we do.
How about number 5
Red take.
and number 11?
Red take. What are you going to do with it, Reese? Sewing machine, barbecue tools, cookware.
I'll take the sewing machine.
All right, the sewing machine for Reese, and we'll open these 2 panels. Is he going to take this game and make it 2 in a row? Select again, Reese.
All right, number 16.
Camping equipment.
Did I see the match for that under number 13?
Camping
Yes.
equipment. Yes. All right. That prize goes up. We'll open those 2 doors, and we'll show you 7, 8, and 10. That's the green take and a wild card. What are you going to use to grab with the green take?
Barbecue tools, definitely.
Barbecue tools, of course, to go with the gas barbecue. Now, let's see if Reese can solve this puzzle.
Is it trumped up charges? Charge?
Is it trumped up charges? No, it is not. Beverly, can you solve the puzzle?
Is it trumped up charge?
Is it trumped up in the singular charge? Yes, it is. And poor Reese gave it to her. Gave it to her. Come on, Beverly. He's a generous guy. That's why he did that deliberately. We know. You explain it now.
The T plus the hump in the camel is trump with a D is trumped. The arrow pointing up is up. And the bull charging is charge. Trump up charge.
Congratulations to you on a victory. Reese had it. He just blurted out 1 letter too much.
I'm a giving kind of guy. What can I say?
Yeah, that's it. And we have to accept the first thing you say. You know that. So it gives you 1 strike only, which means that you'll play again in the next game. And we'll see you for that one, Reese.
See you then.
I don't know what I won.
You don't know what you won? Well, Gene's going to tell you what you won. Gene, aren't you?
I am, Alex. A 20-piece cookware set. Flavor Right Kitchen Nutrition Cooking System featuring whistling temp tone. This unusual healthy food preparation method helps preserve vitamins and minerals. Furnished by Regal.
Well done. So you've got the cookware. That's it. Yes. Listen. Beverly says, that's it? I got news for you. If it weren't for that little mistake by Reese in that last game, it would be goodbye, Beverly. Instead, it's welcome back, Beverly, after this commercial break, and we'll see if you can win a brand new car. right, Beverly, where did you hide the Canadian Deuce?
Right
It's
here.
in your pocket?
Right. Can I tell you something?
All right.
A lady at work gave this to me, and it's really special.
Okay,
She's a
maybe
nice
it will bring
lady.
you luck right now. Here are the
Bet.
15 numbered squares and base time on the clock for you since this is your first time in the winner's circle. 35 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
2, 7,
No.
8, 6,
No.
9, 10,
No.
11, 12,
No.
13, 12,
Yep.
14, 2,
No.
8, 4, 2.
You start and
Okay,
you say 14.
Okay.
Let's open 14 for you. But you're going to run out of time. You made a few mistakes. You missed that Wrangler. That was the 2-8
That's
combination
what
early
made
on.
me lose it.
Yeah, and you lost your concentration
Yeah, I
completely.
did.
I think your friend would have done you a bigger service if she'd given you a 20 instead of a 2, but
It's okay,
you've got
it's gonna
$1,000
work.
worth of
It's gonna
cookware,
work.
and you're going to play again when we come back. I'd be willing to bet big bucks. We're talking big bucks, not these Canadian $2 bills now. That Reese will not, if he has an opportunity, make the same error in this game
Count on
that
it.
he made in the
Count
first
on
one.
it.
All right, each of our players with a strike, and that means this game is very important. Here's one of the prizes. Good addition to any home.
Olhausen Provincial is constructed of oak solids and veneers, carefully engineered. Sturdy frames, rails feature a two-piece T-nut construction for maximum playability. Genuine leather pockets, furnished by Olhausen. Alex.
Oh, sure. Marjorie falls apart. She sinks one ball and then starts fooling around. Reese and Beverly, take a look on the board. You'll see the pool table is dead center. That's easy to remember. We didn't have anyone win the cash pot on yesterday's program, so it's up to $900. We have those 5 bonus seconds in this game, of course, and a vacation in Cozumel, Mexico.
Oh, yeah.
Reese, you go first.
Well, let's start right at the bottom in the center. Number 23, please.
Cash pot, $900
There's my
worth.
buddy old cash pot. How about the match under number 4?
No, there's the Cozumel, Mexico
I found the right
vacation.
one.
Beverly,
I would like number 1
cash pot.
and number 23.
There's $900 coming your way, maybe, if you win the game. Open it up very quickly for Beverly. Select again.
Number 7.
Doll collection.
Oh, both my daughters have doll collections. I'd like the match under number 19.
Diamond pin. No match. Reese.
All right, let's try the lower corner, number 25. Here's the
Pool
pool
table.
table. And the match under number 13?
Yes, pool table there. That's an expensive prize. It's beautiful, as you saw.
That's great, too.
Swing them open. Select again.
All right, let's open this up a bit. Let's go for number 10.
Wild card. Good move.
Now, do I remember where the Cozumel vacation was? Number 5.
No, that's a green take. The other green take is at number 6. Beverly knows where the Cozumel vacation is.
Yeah, but she doesn't know where the other one is.
But she's got $900 in a cash pot.
Well, maybe.
What do you mean, maybe? You're going to use it now or not?
I'll save it.
Don't be coy with
I'll
me,
save
Reese.
it.
All right, he's
I'll
saving it.
I'll
Open
save
it up. 3 panels. Try it again.
Number 12, please.
5 bonus car seconds.
I can use those. How about the lower corner for the match on number 21, please?
No, that's the doll
doll
collection.
collection.
Beverly?
Number 7
Doll
and the
collection.
match under number 21.
21 is a doll collection, and that's a match. And you get a look. Select again.
Number 11
Diamond pin.
and number 19.
Diamond pin, right. Open it up. Pick again.
Number 8.
Red take.
Oh, I'd love that take. 16.
Red take, natural match. Whoa. He's got the pool table. Now, that's a valuable prize. He also has the green take. What do you want to do?
I'm going to wait.
Okay.
I'm going to wait.
Lady's going to wait. as we open these two panels for her. Pick again, Beverly.
Number 2.
Washer and dryer.
We haven't seen that yet, so I'm going to try number 15.
Chandelier. No match. Reese?
All right, let's go for number 17, please.
5 bonus car seconds.
Did I see that before under number 12?
Yes. 5 bonus car seconds. Now, do you want to use the tape or do you want to save it? She has one also.
I'm going to use it on the cash pot.
All right. Give him a shot at $900. Open these two panels for Reese. If he solves this puzzle, he wins the game and the match. Go again.
Number 20, please.
Chandelier.
Chandelier. How about the match for that under number 9?
Oh, no, that's men's designer sweaters. Here's a chance for Beverly.
Number 15.
There's the chandelier.
And number 20 for the match.
There's the chandelier. Now, he's got the pool table, the cash pot, and the 5 bonus car seconds.
I want the car seconds, please, Alex.
All right. This lady thinks she's going to win the game. Let's see if she
you.
does, in fact, do that as we open these two panels. Pick again. Whoa, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in when you think you can solve the puzzle, but be careful if you ring in too early, it could cost you. Number 2, number 3, 4, 9, 14, 18, 22, 24. All right, obviously you're going to need help on this. I'm going to start assisting you. The Y plus the OR for your, then we've got the arrows. Beverly.
Your whole paying fare.
Is it your whole paying fare? No, it is not. Reese, can you solve the puzzle?
You're not...
Oh, get your hands on your buttons again. You can ring in after I start explaining. And the green light goes on. The arrows are pointing at the not hole. So it's, Beverly?
You're not playing fair.
Is it you're not playing fair? Yep. Your whole paying fair. I guess you thought she was going to get on a bus or something. Beverly, let's go to the board. All right, come on. Explain it now.
Okay. Y with the or is your. The not in the wood, not, your not. P plus the hen laying the egg, play, ink, playing. F plus the hair, playing fair. You're not playing fair.
Good. Good for you. Really sorry about that. You've got 2 strikes against you, but you are going to Puerto Rico. I hope you have a marvelous holiday. Take care.
you.
It was a pleasure having you with us.
Thank you.
And now for Beverly, these prizes. Gene, go.
A diamond pin, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a diamond pin or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise. And a chandelier, solid cast brass chandelier, triple lacquered for a maintenance-free, long-lasting finish, no assembly required, with 12 lights of Georgian elegance, furnished by Murray Feist Imports. And a doll collection, Bradley's limited edition collection of lovely Victorian ladies, styled with porcelain hands, head, and feet, adds a decorative touch to any room, furnished by Bradley Collectible Dolls, and the 5 bonus car seconds.
Beverly. See if you can win a car when we come back, following this.
Thank you.
If Beverly did the right thing in that last game by taking the 5 bonus seconds to help her out in this round. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Beverly. You had 40 seconds coming on the clock, but we're going to add those 5 bonus seconds, so you're going to be working with 3. Oh, that's interesting. No, let's not do that. Let's give her 45 seconds. Thank you. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No match.
3, 4,
No match.
2, 4,
Right.
5, 6,
Nope.
7, 5,
Yes.
8, 9,
Nope.
1, 10,
No.
11, 3,
No.
8, 12,
No. Yes.
13, 14,
Yes.
15, 10,
Yes.
11, 6,
No.
9, 3,
Yes.
1.
you sure did add to the suspense on our program today. You were just a little too deliberate. But that's all right. You've got $2,159 in prizes, and you may get another shot up here. We'll take a break. Gene, talk to us, please.
Some of today's participants may receive Waverly Southern Charm Collection, ideal for upholstery, slip covers, draperies, and bedspreads. This beautiful fabric is fine decorative fabric furnished by Waverly. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See you tomorrow.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.